Hello everyone, it is Erin Flito, and today we are talking November bullet journal themes. So this one's kind of fun because these are themes that I think would make really good themes in black and white, so like a one pen only type of spread, or you could always add some moody colors to fit in with the November bullet journal theme idea as well. So to start off, we have the candles theme. So the reason why I really like this theme for November is because it's at least my favorite time of year to burn candles. It's starting to get cool. It's starting to get moody. There is not as much sun, at least where I live in the Northeast. There's not as much sun peeking out. And it's just nice. It sets the mood to have your candles burning. Also, it kind of emphasizes the end of year doing this like the melting wax element of the candles, because for me it's like, okay, the candle has been burning a long time, we're towards the end of the year, just like the wax developing, the candle has been burning a long time, the year has been burning a long time. So I like the parallels of that idea. I do think that this works really well in a black and white theme, but can be done as well with some moodier colors that fit that November vibe, or like a very pale white, or like an off-white beigey type of color as well. And then I do have that it can also be combined with the next theme, which is the study space theme. So the idea of this theme is kind of similar, that we're ramping up towards the end of the year. For students, this is kind of the end of semester exams and papers. We're also piggybacking on the fact that it's NaNoWriMo season. NaNoWriMo is National Novel Writing Month. And so piggybacking on that is really nice with the whole typewriter aesthetic. You can declutter your mind with a decluttered design desk. So kind of draw how you want to envision your life, and that is with a decluttered desk. And maybe that will inspire you to declutter your desk in general. And again, kind of go with this like wipe the slate clean and refresh towards the end of the year to prepare you for the next year. And then I like this theme also because you can do either a handwritten notes font, or you can go a serif style with the typewriter. So there's a kind of a lot of different ways you can do with this sort of study space. And then you, like I mentioned, you can also incorporate the candles into it as well. The next theme, again, going on the whole journey of over the course of a year, we're going to follow the natural path of migrating birds. So this is a really simple silhouette type of style for this particular theme. And it kind of follows the natural progression towards the winter, towards renewal, all that kind of thing, by like following a migrating bird's path. So you're beginning the migration towards the new year. Like I said, easy, simple to create that like silhouette style motif. And then you can also add the trails for a simple design that can be added to headers, and that can help kind of tie the whole page together. Again, easily done in black and white, or you can add little pops of color everywhere. And then the last theme is a hot cocoa bar. So for me, this is like the perfect time of year to get cozy. So getting that cozy aesthetic with like a living room aesthetic, or with a cocoa bar, or adding coffee towards this idea is really a nice way to incorporate all of that type of cozy, slow down kind of aesthetic. You can also use this as an opportunity to maybe have a hot cocoa date night, you know, have something in your bullet journal that you will translate into real life, really inspire you to have some fun, slow down, recharge, all that kind of stuff. And like I said, you can add pairing it with coffee, or you can add the living room aesthetic, and really just give that like cool, calm, collected. Maybe you have that same idea of the study space, declutter your living room aesthetic in your bullet journal, and maybe that will help declutter your whole space in your own home. So things like that are why I like this theme for November. So that is it. That is all of my bullet journal themes. I hope that you really like this video. I love doing these types of videos. There are way more on the channel, so go ahead and go over to that playlist, check out a bunch more themes to give you some ideas towards the end of the year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.